Hello beautiful people, your boy Luis here once again with another wonderful product from the ANNKE family. This time I got the 3 megapixel DVR PIR kit. When you purchase the kit, it will come with 4 or 8 PIR cameras. They will come with their BNC cable per camera, their adapter for the cameras and the power adapter for the DVR, of course, the mouse and a 1:4 splitter for the cameras. The PIR detection mode will minimize false alarms. The cameras deliver clear images and a very nice night vision. Another great feature here is the unique white light alarm. When the sensor detects motion, the light will go off to deter potential intruders. You can always disable that on the menu. Another great feature here is the H.265+ video compression, which will maximize your storage capacity. Another feature is the remote access and motion triggered alerts. That will give you the capacity from your mobile device to review recordings, to check your live footage, to manage your camera settings and customize your motion detection areas. And last but not least is the IP67 weatherproof metal housing that will allow the camera to withstand extreme temperatures and weather conditions. Now I'm gonna install the hard disk that comes in the kit, but first we'll have to remove the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver over here. Now let's open the case. Now let's install our hard disk. We're gonna need our SATA cables, so we will have to plug them first. I mean, the process doesn't have to be this way, but they have to be connected anyway. So we connect them nice and tight, and then once they are connected, we will have to secure our hard disk. That we will do at the back, which would be this way. So we finish up with the installation of the hard disk. Now we finish up by covering our DVR with the case. So you make sure you screw all of the screws on your device, and that will finish up the installation of your hard disk. Now let's set up the 4K DVR security system. And to do that, we will have to connect the Ethernet cable properly onto the DVR. Once it's properly plugged, we're gonna go to the menu, configuration, network, platform access, and the status has to be online. Make sure of that. Right after that, we will have to download the app on your Android device or your iPhone device. I already downloaded the app, and after that you will have to register an account. I already did that. Then we have to scan this QR code, which is the 4K DVR. Let's do that now. Alright, so it's gonna take a few seconds. It's gonna add it, adding completed, finish, save. You can name it the way you want. And now we're gonna check the live footage. In this case is the channel 4, which would appear right here in a second. It's on my smartphone already, right here, and that's the same footage. So that's how you set up this 4K DVR security system.